Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of the American dairy industry. We'll explore how this massive system works, the technology helping farmers, and the complex processes behind every glass of milk we drink. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover the ins and outs of this important and intriguing industry. The dairy industry plays a vital role in the global food supply, with the United States standing out as a colossal force in this sector. The country produces an extraordinary amount of milk each year, approximately 100 million tons, making it one of the largest milk producers worldwide. This feat is supported by a vast number of dairy cows, more than 9 million, that contribute to the nation's production capacity. These cows are not just animals. They are vital cogs in a sophisticated and highly efficient system that delivers milk to millions across the country and around the world. Each of these cows is a marvel of agricultural technology and productivity, and together they help meet the ever-growing global demand for dairy products. The United States dairy sector, fueled by cutting-edge technology and innovative farming practices, sets a benchmark for the rest of the world. With over 9 million dairy cows, the country continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in milk production. Whether it's the rich pastures of California, the expansive farms in Wisconsin, or the agricultural hubs of Idaho, each region plays its part in maintaining the U.S.'s position as a leading dairy exporter. As one of the world's largest dairy producers, the United States relies heavily on modern technology and farming techniques to maintain its position at the top. From automated systems that monitor cow health to advanced machinery for feeding, technology is embedded in every stage of the dairy farming process. These technological advancements have drastically transformed the industry, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and ensuring that cows are treated in the best possible way to maintain high milk production. For instance, automatic feeders precisely distribute nutrients to young calves, ensuring they receive the optimal diet for healthy growth. Similarly, automated systems can clean barns and ensure hygiene without the need for constant human intervention. This technology not only makes the work easier, but also increases the overall productivity of the farms. By employing these systems, farmers can focus on the health and well-being of their herd while allowing technology to handle repetitive tasks. The scale of operations in the U.S. is immense, and such innovations are essential in keeping up with the demand for dairy. Farms are now equipped with state-of-the-art machines that make the entire dairy farming process more efficient, from feeding and milking to waste management and cleaning. These technologies also help the industry stay sustainable by minimizing environmental impact while optimizing milk yield. Calf care is one of the most important aspects of dairy farming. It's not just about feeding them, it's about ensuring they receive the best start in life, which sets the foundation for their future productivity. The journey begins right after birth when calves are separated from their mothers to prevent the transmission of diseases. Newborn calves are immediately given colostrum, a nutrient-rich substance that helps strengthen their immune system, protecting them from diseases in their early days. In addition to colostrum, calves are provided with milk replacers, clean water, and nutrient-dense feed to promote healthy growth. The feed is carefully distributed through automated systems designed specifically for calves. These automated feeders can distribute precise portions of food at scheduled times, ensuring consistency and reducing human error. As calves grow, their diet continues to be monitored and adjusted to meet their changing nutritional needs. Maintaining the health of the calves is a multifaceted process that includes a strict schedule of feeding, monitoring, and health care. This stage is crucial because the foundation of a productive dairy cow is laid here. Healthy, well-cared-for calves will eventually grow into strong adult cows that can produce milk efficiently, contributing to the continued success of the dairy farm. Despite the best efforts of farmers and technological innovations, raising calves still presents significant challenges. Each year, of the approximately 8 million calves born in the United States, around 500,000 don't survive past their first few months. This is due to various health complications that can occur during their early stages of life, such as infections, respiratory issues, and digestive problems. Farm workers, often referred to as second mothers, play an indispensable role in ensuring that these calves grow into healthy adult cows. Their expertise, combined with modern technology, helps mitigate some of the risks involved in raising calves. Workers provide round-the-clock care, closely monitoring the health of the calves and stepping in when necessary to provide medical care. Their dedication and commitment are crucial for reducing mortality rates and ensuring that calves grow into productive members of the herd. Farm workers also play a significant role in educating the next generation of dairy cows. Through the careful application of modern technologies such as health sensors, automated feeders, and specialized care techniques, workers ensure that calves are not only well-fed, but also receive the necessary medical attention to prevent illness and disease. After approximately 12 months of development, calves mature into dairy cows and enter the milk production stage. This stage requires intense care, as these cows need to be healthy and properly nourished to ensure they remain productive. Special attention is paid to their diet, which is meticulously balanced to ensure they receive all the necessary nutrients to maintain high milk output. Dairy farming is not a simple task. It requires deep knowledge and a commitment to the cow's well-being. Modern farms incorporate a variety of technologies to ensure that cows receive the best possible care. This includes automatic feeding systems, health monitoring tools, and advanced milking machines. Each cow's diet is carefully crafted to meet its individual needs, and this is where modern farming practices truly shine. By optimizing feeding schedules, nutrient distribution, and health monitoring, farmers can ensure that their cows are always at their best. In addition to diet, the physical environment of the cows is also a major factor in maintaining their health and productivity. Clean barns, comfortable bedding, and appropriate space are essential for ensuring that cows are stress-free, which in turn helps maximize their milk yield. Milking dairy cows is a delicate process that requires attention to detail. Traditionally, milking was done manually, but today, most large-scale farms have transitioned to automated milking systems. These systems not only make the milking process more efficient, but also help monitor the health of the cows. Smart sensors on the milking machines track milk yield and allow for the early detection of potential health issues such as mastitis or other infections. Automated milking systems have revolutionized dairy farming by making the process faster, more hygienic, and less labor-intensive. These systems are designed to milk multiple cows simultaneously, reducing the time spent on each individual cow and increasing overall productivity. The systems are also equipped with features such as automatic teat detection and self-cleaning mechanisms, ensuring that each cow is milked efficiently and without discomfort. Furthermore, the data gathered by these systems is invaluable for farmers. It helps them track the health of each cow and optimize milking schedules, ensuring that cows are milked at the optimal times for maximum milk yield and quality. With the help of these technologies, dairy farms are able to streamline operations, improve milk quality, and maintain high standards of animal welfare. The future of dairy farming looks promising, thanks to continuous innovations in technology and farming practices. Automated systems are not only improving the efficiency of farms, but also supporting sustainable farming practices that help reduce the environmental impact of milk production. Technologies like robotic milkers, automated feeders, and barn cleaners reduce labor costs and help farms operate more efficiently, all while maintaining the highest standards of animal welfare. Furthermore, the integration of data analytics and sensors is allowing farmers to make more informed decisions about herd management. By tracking the health and productivity of individual cows, farmers can tailor their care to each animal, ensuring that the cows are as healthy and productive as possible. The future will likely see even more automation, with machines that can detect illness in cows before it becomes a serious issue, or systems that can adjust feeding schedules in real time based on the cow's needs. These innovations, combined with farmers' dedication and passion for their work, will continue to push the dairy industry toward new heights of productivity, sustainability, and animal welfare. So there you have it, a look at the incredible scale and complexity of the American dairy industry. From the farms to the processing plants, there's a lot of work that goes into producing the milk and dairy products we enjoy every day. The next time you pour yourself a glass of milk or enjoy a slice of cheese, you'll have a new appreciation for the hard work and innovation that makes it all possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating industries. See you in the next video.